Hi everyone, welcome back to Stuff About Tutorials. In this video, we will see how to add tags on files in iPhone. Also, I wonder why you want to know how to tags on files on iPhone. Maybe because you want to categorize your files by just putting tags on it. Or maybe you think it is very easy to find files if you have put tags on it. Or it could be any other reason for you. So whatever the reason it could be, in this video I'll show you how easily you could do it. Also, I will try to leave written instructions in the description so you can check that as well. So simply go to the files of your iPhone. You could either find it in the library or you can search for it. You just have to simply tap on this icon to open the files. Once you get into the files, on the top you will see this title, browse. That means we are at the right place. After that, you just have to scroll down a bit and there you will see this option of tags, and under it you will see different color names and different kind of names. So all these things are tags. So for example, if you're a student and you have a subject English and you want to put all your English assignments and notes in one folder, then you will tag them as red, and in the red section you could find all your English subject notes. Likewise, if you create it for math and you give it a name green or blue, after that you click on green or blue and there you could find all your math notes. So this is how tags work, that you categorize your notes or any kind of files. Or you could either name your tags and can put them into a separate folder or file. So today we will see how we can do that to the files. So if you want to put a tag on a file, you have to go to a file and then after that you just have to hold that file for a few seconds and then few options will pop up on your screen. Once these options come to your screen, from these options you will see this option of tags. It is in the middle of these options. This one, it also has a tag like icon. As you can see, you just have to simply click on it. After that, it will ask you where you want to put it, like what kind of tag you want to add. For this first option, you can also create a tag of your choice. You can give it any name. For example, if it's a math subject, then you can type math. If it's your school work, then you can type school. And after that you can also give them any kind of color of your choice. Then you have to click on this option which is done, which is on the top right side of the screen, and then tag will be created. So now we will tag this file. You just have to hold it and then you will see an option which is tags. You just have to simply click on it and you can choose any kind of folder or color of your choice. Likewise, you can tag any kind of file that is saved in your mobile phone. You just have to categorize this according to whatever you like. You just have to click on done and after that it will be created. After that you have to go to the browse and there you will see tags. And once you click any one of these tags, you will see the files that are tagged according to their names. For example, if you go to the red, you will find the files that are tagged with the label red, and if you go to yellow, you will find all the tags with the labeled yellow. So this was the easiest way I know through which you can add tags on files on iPhone. If you know any other way of doing it, so let me know in the comment section below. Also make sure to subscribe the YouTube channel for more informative videos and updates, and thank you for watching the video.